Southmont Junior High and High School, about to make their way down the hallway, is a team that has been underdogs throughout the season, is a team that continues to bond together and show the doubters that they are here to play smash mouth football. Is a team that set a school record at 11 and going to go after number 12. It is your 2025 2A sectional champion. Let's give them a well of a send-off as they travel up to Andrew to set another message with the Mountie are a force to be reckoned with. Go Mounties!